that it's burning oil. Can't really focus in on it. Again, you can also hear it idling very rough. But it is working. Why are we burning oil is a great question I'm going to ask you. And for reference, the headlight is indeed working. Looks like it is getting some kind of charge or something along those lines. Again, it's been running now for about 2 minutes, 3 minutes before I started the video, or say.